How to install vinyl plank flooring in a closet. Hey guys, we're Daires and Akilah of DIYPC.
Before laying the vinyl plank flooring, we pulled up the old carpet and underpad.
We also installed a thermal insulated underlayment that will help keep the floor warm and free of moisture from the concrete subfloor.
We used a speed square to measure the first row of planks.
Then we used an oscillator and a sample piece of plank flooring to cut under the door jambs. If you're new to flooring, this is a great way to get that professional look, and it minimizes the gap between your planks and the door jamb. We found out that part of this door jamb was cut a little higher when the carpet was installed.
We took about 2 inches off each corner of the threshold plank to keep it in line with the first one. Using one full plank for the opening gave the appearance of a continual pattern without the need for a transition.
This plank had several special cuts. With a sharp utility knife we scored it, but since it was a little tough to break, we used pliers for the hard to remove piece.
This plank fit nicely under both door jambs.
Nice.
We also notched out the first plank inside the closet. Our metal L-shaped ruler helped with cutting straight lines. As you can see, for this closet install, the tongue side of the plank is exposed. This required us to slide the groove side of the connecting plank underneath.
Now your plank looks like a full plank going around the wall. Here's a close-up look at the tongue and groove interlocking mechanism. We want to encourage you and let you know that you can do it. As you can see, we did the same thing to the right side of the closet. Gently fold down the plank to connect them. To protect the flooring, we always use a spare piece when hammering with a mallet. Hey guys, if you're getting value out of this video, go ahead and hit that like button and share it with a friend. We appreciate it. To see more of our flooring videos, click the vinyl floor playlist link in the description below.
The last row is a little different. We needed to cut it lengthwise to fit, so we flipped the plank over and marked it on the back so you could see it on the blue underpad.
We used our circular saw to cut the plank pad side up and gently placed it in the left corner. The last row should touch the spacers. This creates an expansion gap that prevents the floor from buckling up during various changes in temperatures.
One reason we installed vinyl plank flooring in the closet is because it's much easier to clean and maintain than carpet.
Our walls are not 100% straight, so we measured and cut each plank separately to create a custom fit. Here's a tip. Laying out the planks beforehand will let you know how many cuts you'll need to do.
Now it's time to install the quarter round trim molding. Waterproof quarter round is recommended for water resistant floors because it helps to provide a full coverage waterproofing system. It also will not rot, warp, or crack.
We used a miter box and saw to cut them to their specific sizes. After we got the right fit, we used a strong construction adhesive to press them against the wall. This works best if you do not glue the quarter round trim to the vinyl plank flooring. Gluing them to the floor will hurt the floor's ability to expand correctly. We wipe the top edge to fill in the gaps between the baseboard and the quarter round. Pushing the cord around against the baseboard while simultaneously pushing it down towards the vinyl planks gives it the appearance that it's nailed to the floor. Beginner DIYers and those who don't have a lot of tools can easily use this inexpensive technique to change the look of their closet. Correctly installed vinyl plank floors can last from 5 to 25 years, especially if they're well maintained. So flooring in a low traffic small closet like this one should last for many years. Setting the last piece of cord around gave us a sense of accomplishment, and it will do the same for you. Now you know how to install vinyl plank flooring in a closet, and with all the special cuts it takes to make it happen, we want you to remember that you can DIY too, and we'll see you in the next video. DIY Power Couple YouTube channel is your source to help you unleash your inner DIY power.